Come on, let us rejoice in the Lord Jesus Christ. From slavery of sin He freed us with His might. Arise with songs of praise, His favor's abundant. There's no way to repay but to be jubilant. ሰዎች ደስ ይበለን በአምላካችን ከኃጢአት ባርነት ነፃ